Did it again. Yeah, so any of you guys who watch me very much know I'm not a very good welder. I have lots of tricks to fix my mistakes, right? As such, just doing the cut and butt, fixing my speaker holes, and that way I can have double boom booms in the back, right? I like that sort of thing. So, cut and button, welded it on top, worked out fine, started cutting, like through here, it's all right, we can weld that right up, but then blam, what did I do there? You know, so in a case like this, you could get extra heat in here and warp it all up. It's not a big deal, but if you're doing that, well, bad example. If you're doing that, say you're gonna weld that hole up, we need to find something to support our cause. I like to use this copper hammer, right? Brass would work, aluminum would work, anything that can conduct electricity, absorb heat, and not stick when you weld it. So a steel pipe wouldn't work, right? Okay, so we'll stick that behind here and we'll weld it up. I'll show you how good it works. So we've got a welder fired up, ready to go. So what I want to do, and of course having access to the back is nice. If maybe you can have a significant other hold it there for you if you need to. But what I want to do is this. So I'm going to take that hammer flat as I can. Plug that hole. Oh, plug that hole. We're going to fill that in. Maybe. Or you want to move it, keep it where you're welding, obviously. All right, well, could look better than that, but we didn't chase it around burning through, you know. There you go. Another bigger gap, right? So if you couldn't get anything behind it, all that. And I'm gonna show you what I do, and it does take more heat. So in this case, it doesn't really matter so much. But what I wanna do is I wanna weld one side of the gap, then weld the other side until they connect. Does that make any sense? Then a lot of times you can zip, 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 kind of go back and forth, but yeah, there you go. Got them ground down. Right? So the best idea is just not have too big of a gap, but it happens. If you guys want to see what's going on with the rest of this whole project, we'll see you Sunday after whatever. Just look for the next video. Make sure you subscribe down there if you want to get notifications, and check in, leave me a comment, tell me what you think, maybe you like or something. All right, we'll see you guys on the next one. Cheers.